Good afternoon, folks. Ari here from Direct Auto Outlet in Fair Oaks, California. I've got this gorgeous 1998 Honda Civic LX 4-door sedan for you today. This will be a test drive and driving impression video of this vehicle as we get it on the road, put it through its paces, and take you along with us for the ride so that you can see and hear everything that we see and hear. Now, we also do have an in-depth walk-around video of the vehicle where we demonstrate its many functions and features. Make sure you catch both videos. We'll leave a description and link to both videos in the description portion of the ad anywhere you see this vehicle for sale. I am looking forward to this portion of the video because it is a hot day, 98 degrees. I'm looking forward to hopping in this car and blasting the air conditioning. I want to show you this vehicle does come with all 3 keys and 2 remote fobs for an aftermarket alarm system that still works, as you heard. We've got 194,294 miles. And boy, does that air conditioning feel good. We'll let the phone down for just a moment while we put on our belts and get started. The alarm system is also tied in to the power door lock, central lock system of the vehicle. So it does lock and unlock the vehicle as you engage and disengage. If you didn't catch, so on the description of the ad, on Monday we're actually getting this vehicle in. We were trying to have it done today, but the shop didn't have time to get it in and finish it. Monday we're getting this vehicle in and we're having the timing belt and water pump done. When we do a timing belt job on a car, folks, we do an entire thing. It includes timing belt, water pump, seals, tensioners, also the thermostat and new coolant. We do the entire thing. Wow, this air conditioning feels great in this vehicle. It's only on setting number 2 out of 4 and it feels fabulous. Engine feels real strong and responsive. Transmission shifts super smooth. No slippage in between gears, no clunking, no hard shifting, no slipping. It runs really smooth. A little bit smaller than I'd like on the interior, but it's just because we've come accustomed to larger cars. So as the decades have gone by since this vehicle has been made, when we've gotten used to larger, more significant feeling cars, this feels a little, I wouldn't say cramped because it's not cramped or uncomfortable. It just feels a little light duty, or feels a little small, feels a little dinky. I mean, I don't mean that in a bad way, but you know, it's just the reality of it when you're used to driving modern cars. These Civics get excellent fuel economy. Cost of ownership on them is very low. Very easy to drive, very easy to repair, maintain, keep on the road. This particular one has held up really well considering it is 26 years old and has almost 200,000 miles on it. And with the timing belt water pump job, that's a major maintenance item that's going to be done. We try to do that because we don't want the car to clunk out on you a couple years later when that timing belt rips and it ruins your motor. We're trying to make sure we keep these old beauties, these classics on the road. And of course, any vehicle we ever have that has a timing belt, the first question anybody ever asks is, when was the timing belt done? So we're going to go ahead and intercept that by having it done. It costs us a lot less to do than it cost you. So we're just going to go ahead and do it. Not many dealerships do that kind of maintenance and do that kind of repair on a vehicle they're offering under $5,000, folks. That's just part of the difference here. We just try to make a little bit of money, earn your business, hopefully, for a very long time. This section of road has a lot of uneven pavement, rough roads, and potholes. The suspension is handling it great. I don't feel any clunks, don't feel any looseness, don't feel any movement. Suspension feels real good. Brakes feel real good as well. They have a good amount of power. They don't have the kind of power that we're used to with the modern cars, but it, you know, it's got enough power to lock up the tires for you. So, you know, its power is very good. But compared to modern vehicles, it may feel like it's lacking just a little bit. Folks, we'll do a 0 to 60 acceleration pull as we pull over to the side over here. And let traffic, make sure there's nobody here, and we'll pull over to 60, pull up to 60 miles per hour, going up this hill. with the air conditioning on and see how fast we can get there. I'm gonna let a little bit of space form between me and the car in front so I have enough time and room to get to 60, especially on a 4-cylinder like this where it's gonna take a little bit longer to get to 60. And assuming that there's no obstructions in our way, we'll get there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Very responsive. About 80% throttle here. 40 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour. And 60 and beyond. Pretty impressive. It's actually faster than I imagined it would do it. I don't know why, but I actually didn't think it would do as well as it did. Really peppy little powertrain here. Lots of power, especially for the small amount of weight that it has. You don't feel any creaks, you don't feel any looseness in the panels, no clunks. Everything sounds real good. Very little road noise all the way around. And gosh, this is just a testament to the build quality of these vehicles. It's quite impressive. We'll go over through these back streets, go up and down a few hills, do a couple speed bumps, and make our way back. Folks, so far, if you've enjoyed this video, please do smash that like button and give us a big old thumbs up. We really appreciate it. We really are concentrating on growing our YouTube channel, and we cannot do so without your help. So please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon, whether you just enjoy watching our reviews or in the market for a vehicle. Hit the bell notification icon and be the first to know when we get a new vehicle in stock. And for those of you watching from out of state or out of town, we also do have affordable nationwide shipping and transport services available as well. So just give us a call, give us a moment, provide us with your address, and we'll get you a quote on what it would take to get this vehicle from our doorstep to yours. Don't be shy. And if you have any other questions, concerns, or comments, you can find us on our website 24/7, 365 days a year at directauto-outlet.com, or you can just give me a call and get me directly. Speak to a live person by dialing area code 916-765-7575. Make our way back, last couple turns. I do want to take this opportunity to thank you for investing your valuable time and joining us, sticking with us throughout the entirety of this video. We certainly do appreciate that. We hope to have the opportunity to see and interact with each and every one of you in the near future. Well, I really enjoyed my my break here with the cold air conditioning. It cooled me right down. It's about 100 degrees today, and this felt really nice. This will make a great vehicle for a young driver, student, high school, college student, or just a nice little commuter car to keep the miles off of the nicer vehicle you have stored away on the side. Thank you so much, folks. We hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day and appreciate you hanging in there with us. Have a great day. Bye-bye.